Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is WordPress Automation Secrets, and this is WordPress Automation Secrets review. Now what this product will do for you guys, okay, it will reduce your work in all different streams. Okay, it will autopilot your work. Okay, you can put your all control on automation. So what is this actually? Okay, this type of the things or solution you will get just because of this product which is WordPress automation. So what you are going to get inside this is 8-part video course is designed to show you exactly how you can free up your time, your hard work, your energy, so much things. So just because of this product, you will be able to put your time on different work, okay? And easily automating all these things. So what you can do, see different automation scenarios, website maintenance. You will get 8-part videos. I will show you the member access area. Okay, when you will purchase this, you will see member access area, something like this. And when you will click here, you will redirect here. So I'm just going to show you. Before that, let's discuss what you are going to get inside this. So website maintenance automation. So you don't need to put your all hard work on this particular work or job. Content marketing automation, each and everything means blogging you can do automatically. Okay, you can post some contents automatically. Social media automation, directly you can do organic marketing by using this one. Now this is the main special, e-commerce automation. Generally people always choose Shopify, so you don't need to go for that because you are already going to get this function here. First thing is you have to just purchase hosting and domain name, and later you have to just automate your e-commerce store, so you don't need to pay month by month just like Shopify. So you will be able to do this here also. And this is membership automation, means something like member access area. Okay, something like this, you can see this is member access area. So this type of website or this type of service you can provide your customer or your audience or whatever you can say. Now best complete automation plugins, because without these plugins you will not able to do or to perform all these works and all these jobs and whatever you can say. So let's see what we are going to get inside this. So when you will purchase this one, you will see this page after login, you can see, and here you will get all these things. You have to access now here. When you will click here, you will redirect here. I already clicked, that's why I'm not clicking on that in front of you. So some these things you will get. Okay, so this will be your product, your each and everything, your result will be shown like here. Your result will be appear here, some welcome and all these things you will be here. Now he will be your instructors. Now this will be your welcome, and just see what is inside the tutorials. I will show you these bonuses also, these two bonuses I will show you, but before that we should see this one. So WordPress automation scenario you will get inside this. Okay, some topics covers here you can see already. So WordPress automation websites and WordPress automation content. So I'm just clicking on that. It's logged right now, but let's see what will happen. Okay, so it will be open for you directly, guys. Okay, so automation for social media, something like that. Now this will be for e-commerce, and this is too much important, guys, because e-commerce is booming right now. Even if you go in this business right now, you can just perform very good, but later the competition will be very much in this industry also. So WordPress automation membership area, okay, something like this, which you are already watching right now. Okay, this type of the websites you will be able to create, or you can just automate this WordPress automation complete. So later you will be get complete system. Okay, so now access your bonuses. So guaranteed bonus, unannounced bonuses, two category of bonuses which you are going to get. Now some resources, okay, through which you will be able to perform more efficient. So guys, this will be your member access area. I'm done from my side. This is completely informational product, and you have to just use all these plugins which they will provide you. You have to use these plugins, and you have to follow all these instructions which you are going to get inside this. Okay, and later you will be able to see your results on automation. Okay guys, so let's come and meet my bonuses. So this is Facebook ads secrets. So for example, if you are able to automate your complete WordPress website, so you can just focus on this to make some more profit and some more sales. Okay, now this is second one. This is newly launched product which is just in 2021 this launched. Okay, and just because of this you will be able to do so much things. And this is Octagon. Again, this is newly launched product which already launched in 2021. And in this, you will get so much done for you, templates for you. So this will be your complete package. You can see WordPress automation. This will be for Facebook ads. This will work for you on autopilot. So much things you will get different categories. And here, all the done for you templates you are going to get. Not only done for you templates, so much done for you things you are already going to get inside this. So just because of this complete package or complete bundle, you will be able to put your complete work on automation, guys. Okay. So that's how this complete package will work for you. You can say I already mentioned each and every important information on my page. You can just go through the link below. You will be redirect here. Okay, and here you can just read this one. When you will click any yellow button, you will redirect on another page where you will get more in-depth detailed information about the product, and then you have to just take action if you want to go ahead with this or not. Okay, so I just shown you each and everything. No decision is yours what you have to do or not. Okay, because later if you don't go with this, later the price will increase of this product particularly, and later you will not be able, actually I don't know you will be able or not, but you will not be able to automate your complete works if you don't go with this. Okay guys, so automation is too much important nowadays because this is 2021 and each and everything is running on autopilot and semi autopilot, you can say. So that's why you also need to adopt this method. Okay guys, so I'm done from my side. We will meet with another masterpiece, okay, with another time. Till then, bye guys.